Hello and welcome. Today, I have the pleasure of presenting our project focused on an intelligent system designed to predict trajectories in robotic welding, an innovation developed by our laboratory, LMP3. Welding is an essential technique in the industry, but automating this process remains a challenge due to the complexity of operations and the need for skilled experts. Faced with a labor shortage and health risks related to welding fumes, it is crucial to find solutions to make this process faster, safer, and more precise. The objectives of this project are threefold. Automate the planning of welding trajectories using sensors and artificial intelligence. Optimize weld quality in real time through advanced control methods. Reduce welding time and costs while increasing precision and ensuring operator safety. Our method relies on the use of depth cameras combined with artificial intelligence algorithms to automatically generate trajectories, eliminating the need for the user to manually teach positions. Once the trajectories are established, the robot performs the welding by following the coordinates defined by our algorithms. This approach automates the welding process while improving the quality of the welds. For this project, we developed a graphical user interface that allows the user to create a project by first choosing the type of welding, series welding, or welding for a defined number of pieces. The user can then import the parts to be welded, select the type of joint, and input various parameters such as robot speed, part thickness, number of passes, and the desired weld format. A welding simulation option can also be activated. By launching the simulation through the Robotic software, the user can visualize the robot, the tool being used, and the parts to be welded. This simulation provides a realistic representation of the welding process to be executed and can also serve as support during the actual welding. This project aims to modernize and automate industrial processes by integrating artificial intelligence into robotic welding, thereby improving productivity, quality, and safety. This approach could be beneficial in various sectors, such as automotive and aerospace. We would be delighted to discuss partnership opportunities to jointly harness the potential of artificial intelligence and robotics to meet your industrial needs.